Ahoy. Ahoy.
Congrats on wines today. You've done well, you've done well.
And then what? The next step. It's like a rainbow.
Rainbow ass.
Oh, today is the last day.
Cry.
And I've developed a spot. Oh, but today we are gonna film our makeups for you, seeing as I haven't filmed anything this holiday. That's what we're gonna do later, but right now we're gonna pack and then have a last bath in our favourite bath of all time. Also do a house tour, because we can't leave without doing a house tour. The house tour it is. This light is ridiculous.
The worst time ever.
Right, let's start packing.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I won't.
Okay, so I've been here 16 days in total. Tyson, my best friend, has been here 15 days. She brought one carry-on, so this is the size. This is my bag. Hers, yeah, yours could fit in here.
Yeah.
If I didn't wear anything I bloody brought.
It's a big booty hole. All I want for my birthday is a big booty hole. Right, I haven't done my makeup in like
4 days?
yeah, so I forgot where I start.
No, probably more than that though. Since the fun crew left.
I know.
Now we don't go out anymore.
I think I start with this. I don't actually remember. Oh, that sprays a bit. You don't look as tanned here.
It's the lighting. Because next door makes you look like you're red raw.
Yeah.
Outside we look brown.
Oh dear. Never been this brown in my entire life. I just don't know what to do. Okay, going in with a bit of primer. Bobbi Brown. Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Hello. Hello.
Oh. I might put my hair in like a neat pony tonight.
Oh,
and wear
that'd
my
be cute.
hoodies.
I haven't seen you in a pony in so long.
Charlie?
So we watched Hereditary the other night. Ever since then, I can't go into the basement without being scared.
Friggin' nightmare.
Cult City.
What's going on? Can I use some of this green?
Sure.
Can I put this on first without putting anything underneath? What's
Yeah,
usually
do that. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, hey.
Oh my god.
Look how many of us are. Do you know what I am like really scared of? You know,
What?
you can go in those rooms of just mirrors,
Yeah.
and then you lose where the door is, and you
Yeah.
can't find your way out.
And
I
you're stuck
never,
looking at yourself forever.
I never want to be in one of those. It's like, you know, on Pretty Little Liars when Spencer gets trapped in that little room.
With A.
Oh my god. With A, she's back.
What a waste of my life that was.
So you didn't watch the final episode?
No, I watched every single episode apart from the last
Oh
one.
my god, it was the worst bunch of boo-ha I've ever seen.
Bunch of what?
Boo-ha?
Boo-ha.
Boo-ha.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am?
Yeah, we should be able to be ready then. We'll try our hardest.
Shit. Do you think I need any more primey stuff, or is that primey enough primey?
That's primey enough primey.
Thank you.
Primey a river.
Primey a river. Can you see how burnt I am?
You free-breasted it tonight, it feels a little...
Free breasting. Ooh, mama.
Oh yeah, burnt on my eyelids. So it looks like I'm wearing a pink eyeshadow.
On the Naked Heat palette.
Yeah. I wonder if it actually matches a colour from
I bet
the
it
palette.
does, you know. I've got it here. He Devil.
What was that? I'm He Devil.
I'm wearing He Devil.
So,
Is it the Bobbi Brown one that I like?
that you yas.
Oh,
Ahoy. Ahoy. Oh. I'm sad. Sad it's over.
Do you mean it was like, who just said yas?
We'll get off our holiday.
You'll have to edit that out.
So, oh, shiitake. I'm gonna have a mid-makeup floss break. Hope no one minds.
I really mind.
I could actually sit here and floss for days.
The dance, right?
Yeah.
It's the first week. We went in the hot tub pretty much every night and had a Gossip Girl sesh.
Oh.
And then the main Gossip Girl left.
I miss our Gossip Girl. It was a boy.
Shout out.
Shout out Jack Wayne.
I'm loving all your Bobbi Brown stuff, you know. I think that's what I'm mostly using. I use the Bobbi Brown primer,
okay.
Bobbi Brown
Bronzer.
and the cream blush, which is my new obsession.
What's that colour again? Is it powder pink?
It's called Powder Pink.
Yeah, that's such a nice colour.
It's so nice. I'm gonna get it, I think, when I get home.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss doing our makeup in this terrible lighting.
This is like reverse from your bedroom because
I know.
You do your makeup, you look amazing. You go downstairs and actually you look shit.
In my bedroom, we're a 10 out of 10.
Yeah,
Each time.
11 out of 10.
It's so good, that lighting.
I
I
love
don't know
it
what
on
it
mirror,
is.
yeah. But then here, you do your makeup.
And you look better in real life.
You look like a 6, and then you get outside, it's like, holy shit, I am at least an 8. That's still a wiggle.
Why is one of my eyelashes like facing down?
Because it's sad that we're leaving.
Oh, it probably is.
Oh no.
I'd love to be in that part of the makeup industry where you name all the products.
Same, that would be so much fun.
Yeah.
I'd be
Start our own
really
makeup company.
Shall we?
Shall we? Shall we? I feel like I've got to curl my lashes, but now I've done it. Already done my mascara.
Oh no, don't do it.
Just slightly.
Oh my god, it scares me. My friend snapped hers off.
Okay, we're good. Oh, I might go big with my highlighter.
Oh girl.
And a bit of Estee Lauder. Yes?
Can you bring this when you come? We'll get an Uber.
Oh, okay. What do you want me to bring?
It's nearly ready.
Okay.
Bring that. Please.
Will do. Sorry, James.
Am I sparkling? My ginger lashes. What's happened there?
I want to do my teeth.
Straight out the jungle.
What makeup bags did I bring? I brought like 3.
Yeah, you bought
it's going to
those.
be a nightmare. Oh.
What are you are?
I just hit my wisdom tooth.
Oh no.
That's
We don't get that scene.
Christ alive.
The first thing that just happened to be
1, 2, 3.
do re mi.
Oh, do, re, mi.
Do re mi fa sol la
Ti, do, a dear. Get my finger in there. Naughty.
Naughty Norman.
Naughty Norman Price.
Nothing we hadn't seen before, right, Chloe?
First bits of makeup packed.
Now, so what do I do?
You
Just
done
hold it
lips?
there. Oh no, not yet. So I hold lips first and then do this.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Chloe, I never used my muff on the move. Like,
What on earth is that?
my auntie bought me these vagina wipes. I love my muff. Fresh. One wipe. It's so funny. Oh. To know what was going
that's
on.
it unlocked. Or no, I need like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, makeup's done. Why don't I look well? I feel like I look...
It's just the lighting in here, Queen. It's not very nice.
So we should go do like a house tour before we have to go for dinner.
Yes, sweet.
Room tour. This was our humongous giant bed, which could have fit probably 4 people in it,
Yeah.
which was very nice. Huge wardrobes with the only room with a full-length mirror, so everyone's been coming in here. My luggage. The bathroom. Oh, your side's empty, that's so sad. This was my side. I've just done all my makeup, so that's also empty. Hers and hers sinks. Ow, I just backed into this door. Massive bath. Here it is in proportion to my foot. Huge. Although we can never figure out how to work the jet, so we had a jet-free bath all the time. Jet 2. Massive shower head. Yeah. That was our bedroom. Entertain. Ooh. This is our psycho hallway. Scary. We'll have to finish our house tour later. Here is the kitchen. This is where I've been watching loads of TVs. Oh, it's shut. Quick garden reveal. One sitting area. Pool, another sitting area with a TV. Oh yeah, hot tub. Now it has a TV in there, on that wall there.
And there's seating areas around the other side.
Oh yeah, and so much seating, and this pool is huge and has the Rolling Stones logo on the bottom of the pool. Amazing. And then we can do the basement later on. Yay! Tyson model next to the bus.
Oh, Emma, it's a new dress.
Oh, I got this last year, but I didn't fit in it.
The wagon.
Beautiful 9-seater that we fit 11 people in many times. Look at these outfits.
Wow.
Resort. You can take a girl out of the resort, but
Can't take the resort out of the girl.
yeah, look at this.
This is the front garden.
What's going on that slide? You know, the London one. Look.
They died.
No, just have a look. How fast it is.
No.
It looks horrifying.
No, never. Little fountain. And then these are our front gates, which are crazy.
Where we do the twerking in the next.
And what's the villa called?
Ballybunion.
Villa Ballybunion. Do you get my lip gloss?
Yeah.
Yeah, you. James is on the golf. Oh, do we bring the shirt? Oh yeah, we did bring the shirt. It's in the car.
So they're yours. Basically, I bought 2, and then I didn't. Just ate that one. Took a picture of you taking a picture.
Oh, you go like this. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! There's Chloe. Chloe always looks stunning. Oh hi, mom. Maria.
My eyebrows are so
Oh, you can really see my burnt eyelids now. Cute thumbnail. Oh, this would be a good thumbnail. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Look at the lit up palm trees. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Harry's still out here.
I don't want to leave. No, we don't need to show anything else. Ooh. Here we go, this is the big entertainment center.
This will work if you want.
Not mine.
That means it says download to computer.
Should do.
But then I click on it, it says download there.
Girl, get it, girl.
Get it, get it, get it, girl.
I'm watching San Miguel's.
San Miguel.
San Miguel.
Packing is nearly done. Oh, I forgot.
What?
Vagina wipes.
Your muff kit?
I'm off on the move. Last few hours in the villa. This is so sad. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Short but sweet.
Never showed it downstairs.
Guess I'll see you. Oh yeah. Well, if we are awake enough tomorrow, we'll show you the basement. If not, sorry you missed it.
Check your Insta.
And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.